Welcome back to BIM Design Studio. In this video, we'll explore how Nano Banana can be applied to exterior designs and building elevations, providing practical insights for architects, designers, and homeowners. We've already covered several use cases of Nano Banana in previous videos, so be sure to check those out as well. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Let's get started. Nano Banana can render snapshots from any 3D model created in SketchUp, Rhino, Revit, or similar software and place them in different environments. For example, let's take a restaurant model built in SketchUp. I first used a prompt to generate a sketchy style render. The result wasn't great. It looked very much like the raw SketchUp output. Next, I tried another view of the same model, this time keeping all background elements like vegetation, people, and mountains. Using the same prompt, the result came out much better, with a more naturally sketchy effect. Then I tested a photorealistic prompt, asking Nano Banana to create realistic lighting, shadows, textures, materials, and a believable environment while preserving the building's geometry and original camera perspective. The output was impressive. It added realistic trees with natural shadows and even distant buildings, though it altered the cars in the scene. The sky, reflections, and glass still felt unrealistic. So I refined the prompt by specifically requesting a natural sky and realistic lighting. This immediately improved the render. For the next iteration, I pushed further, adding a restaurant-like interior, populating the exterior with people, cars, wall lights, and detailed road textures, and shifting to an evening atmosphere. I also asked to remove the sketch outlines. The result was better, though some issues remained. The cars lacked headlights for an evening scene, and the sky didn't match the time of day. Finally, I updated the prompt to include street lights, headlights, and a proper evening sky. The outcome was much more vibrant, with realistic reflections on the asphalt and a stronger atmosphere. It even added extra people by the roadside, which I later removed in another pass. The final render delivered a far more realistic and lively version of original SketchUp model, showcasing how iterative prompt refinement with Nano Banana can significantly improve the quality of architectural visualizations. Another powerful use of Nano Banana is generating 3D floor plans directly from 2D CAD drawings. For example, let's take a floor plan image from houseplans.com. Using a prompt to render the plan with auto-assigned floor materials, realistic shadows, and furniture depth, Nano Banana instantly transformed it into a detailed 3D floor plan. I then used another prompt to create an isometric view while preserving the building's geometry. The result was impressive, complete with realistic furniture depth and even real cars placed on the plan, giving it the appearance of a fully rendered 3D isometric floor plan. With this AI tool, you can easily remodel the exterior design of any building, whether it's changing the facade materials, updating textures, or even switching to an entirely different architectural style. For example, you can turn a modern home into a traditional brick residence or experiment with new color schemes and finishes without spending hours in 3D modeling. Here's a quick demonstration. By uploading a rendered image from the internet and writing a prompt to remodel this building into a traditional American residence. The AI can instantly create the building as described in the prompt, while keeping all other elements intact. Here's the quick result of the remodeling building. You can also write a prompt to change only a specific portion of element of the building, like the porch, windows, materials, etc. This makes it a powerful tool for architects, designers, and even homeowners looking to visualize renovation ideas. With Nano Banana AI, you can quickly change the exterior materials of any building image without altering its geometry. For instance, if a facade is designed with stone, you can prompt the AI to replace it with brick, wood, or even modern concrete finishes. The tool maps the new textures accurately onto the surfaces, maintaining proportions, lightings, and shadows for a realistic result. You can also upload a custom material image and prompt the AI to replace existing building materials with it. Here are examples generated from both methods. The same approach can be applied to interior spaces as well, allowing you to swap materials seamlessly. This makes Nano Banana an excellent tool for testing design options, comparing material palettes, and presenting alternative concepts to clients in just minutes. Nano Banana AI makes it easy to redesign outdoor spaces by modifying landscapes directly from an image. You can add ornamental grasses, shrubs, or colorful flowers and instantly see how they transform the overall appearance of the building exterior. The AI naturally adjusts the lighting, textures, and shadows so the new elements blend seamlessly into the scene. The result is a realistic, photorealistic visualization where the landscape feels like it was originally part of the design, giving you a clear idea of how different styles and planting themes will look in real life. If you are interested in experimenting with new designs or testing concepts quickly, Nano Banana AI is definitely worth trying. Don't forget to check out my other videos where I cover more use cases and step-by-step guides. This is BIM Design Studio, building smarter, designing better.